Hey guys, just wanted to hop on here and do my first ever trade review on the channel. Just wanted to see if I could provide you guys with some value, just understanding my thought process and the way I trade, and hopefully you can implement some of the things that I do, some of the mistakes that I make into your own trades. So here's a good example here. I took 2 trades on AMD today, one trade being on the reclaim of your previous day high level, as well as our high of day levels. So as you can see, coming into the day on AMD on the higher time frames, I was looking for AMD to be above its previous day high. And as you can see, yesterday we had a pretty nice move up, a little bit of consolidation in the pre-market, and I was looking at our previous day high like I mentioned. So once we actually broke above our previous day high intraday, I was looking for the retest here, but as you can see, we did not end up holding this retest level. This red candle ended up closing below. But right as we reclaimed this level, I was looking for longs targeting your 116 and your previous week's high being your green line. So once we reclaimed, I entered on the 948 candle, looking to target once again the previous week high and the 116 psychological whole number. And as you can see, we barely ended up closing below the previous day high. So as you can see, I ended up stopping out of this trade, unfortunately, barely before we ended up closing below. And as you can see, we immediately started reclaiming. And this is where the second trade came in. So once we reclaimed our previous day high, showed that we were looking to hold, I ended up re-entering back on this candle once we started closing above this mini downtrend we had formed. So I entered here, targeting the exact same level. I was looking to take off a little bit less off at the previous week high and the original amount at the 116 psychological whole number. This trade ended up still resulting in a loss for the day, and the reason for that was me actually not having enough buying power to enter the second trade. So I ended up taking 116 calls on this reclaim here, my original trade, and once we broke back below, the buying power that I had diminished heavily, so I was re-entering on this candle here with only 2 contracts with the 117 strike price. So I was able to lose, I believe, on the original trade, I lost about $70, and on the second trade, I ended up gaining, I believe, $32. I'm just trying to be fully transparent with you guys on this trade. Yeah, it's just sometimes you have to deal with these type of things. It can be liquidity, it can be spread, it can be buying power. I know a lot of you guys that watch have smaller accounts, so this can be relatable hopefully to some of you that trade on a cash account, on a smaller account. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here, kind of explain this trade. Hopefully you guys can gain some value understanding this setup that I had taken, previous day high reclaim, and yeah. If you guys want to learn a little bit more about the strategies that I trade, I'll be making more videos regarding that. And I have some videos already posted, but they were posted a little bit ago, so not super valuable. But yeah, I'll be sure to remake some of those for you guys, and hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow for another trade review if I ended up taking a trade. All right, see you guys.